Welcome to part 7 of the garage series. Today we're going to focus on fire safety. While it's rare, fires can happen in your garage. I actually have 2 fire extinguishers in the garage. I've got this large fire extinguisher hanging up at the wall. I also have a smaller one in my 350Z that's for track duty, and it's just convenient that it's always in the garage. Right through this door is my kitchen, so it's also ready to go for that. So 3 most likely places you are to have a fire in your house are your dryer, your kitchen, or your garage. So it's definitely a good idea to have a fire extinguisher out here, have some way of protecting your property. You have all these tools, you have your cars in here. You don't want a fire to start and then not be able to stop it and just have to sit there and watch it burn. I can't imagine a worse feeling than watching all of your money and all of your time just get burnt up in a fire. There's also some things you can do to prevent needing this fire extinguisher in the first place. So keep an eye on things. Don't overwork a tool. Don't let things like sawdust pile up in a corner. That stuff can catch on fire so fast. And like we mentioned earlier, using things like a power strip to prevent these fires before they even start, making sure all of your electrical is up to code and keeping a good eye on it so you're not having sparks flying off. When you're using an angle grinder, don't have a bunch of sawdust in the corner right next to it. Those sparks could fly in there, catch that on fire, and that could get out of hand really quickly. If you're welding, don't weld near a bunch of paper or flammable objects. Just keep an eye out for things. Try to prevent a fire before it even happens. And if it does happen, have a way to put it out. I know it might seem obvious, but accidents happen, so just make sure you're prepared. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next week.